जरूर जरूर.
We have two more categories remaining, and Gautam sir, I'd like you to announce the winners of Best Film and the winners of the Critics' Choice Award.
Sure. So, like I said, everybody who is watching, everybody who made these films, who put in all this effort, especially during this lockdown, I salute you. The films were awesome. Some films, it was so difficult to judge these films, and I think it'll not be right on our part to say that certain film was fantastic and the other film was not so good. Each of the films were amazing. You might have missed it by a millimeter, here and there. So 0.25 points or 0.1 point here and there when we were judging it. Each one of you has put in an amazing effort, and it's a wish from my side that some of you filmmakers should work with us at Pine Tree Pictures. As Abhiraj mentioned, we are a filmmaking and event management company, and we'd love to have you come and work with us and do some films for us. So first, I'll announce the Critics' Choice Award, and I think there are no two doubts about these two films which are sharing the award. One is Distune, and the second one is Clones. Big round of applause for them.
That's amazing to hear. Do we have someone from Clones and Distune here? Okay, Sanjit is here.
Sanjit is here. Sanjit, तुमने तो रिधिमा को डरा दिया बिल्कुल. Ridhima, you want to say something?
Yeah, I would just like to tell Sanjit that you've made a film which is pretty much ahead of its time, according to me. And I think it just reminded me of, how Contagion, when it came out, it did not ring with the audience. But today, in today's time, we go back and see what happened in Contagion. We sort of try and relate it to what is happening because the film was a little ahead of its time. I think Clones is also sort of a movie which is a little ahead of its time. And Khuda na khasta agar kabhi aisa ho gaya, then everybody's going to come back to your film and witness and see what are the little hidden secrets that you've given out there. And you will, probably be the next Christopher Nolan in his way of thinking. I think Clones just gave me a little bit of a feel of, say, an Interstellar or an Inception. Wala, jo line pakadte ho aap. I thought Clones was more on those lines.
Brilliant. Absolutely, Sanjeet. So ये अच्छी बात इसने कही. अब मैं थोड़ी बुरी बात भी कह देता हूँ. Don't mind it, because मैं बिल्कुल honest आदमी हूँ. I think तुमने बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत sound पर नहीं की, and the way you guys shot it. So there was not enough conviction in some of you while you were doing the film. You had the conviction. Some of the other people, can you hear me, Sanjeet? Sanjeet is frozen. So you had the conviction. It's the same room. It's the same camera from where you are talking right now. I know from where your clone appeared. So you had the conviction. Some other people had the conviction, but the conviction, the sound quality, the concept was very good. Shyamji also believes, Ridhima also believes the concept was very good. But somewhere you didn't put in your heart and soul in making the film. So you could tell a very beautiful story, but till the time you don't tell the story with all the technical aspects equally weighed, you don't become the best film. But yes, absolutely, in terms of being the best critic film, you deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
I actually just want to...
Yeah.
You acted pretty well too.
Yeah, I just want to... Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just want to thank my cast and crew also, because they all worked a lot on this one. And like you said, the camera and the sound wasn't that good because we were using our phones and our laptops cameras. But we'll definitely work on that. And definitely everyone on this film actually put on a lot of work. And, like Pradeek, my editor, Yash, Komal, Shreyash, Nandini, even Alabhya, who wrote the story, and, Bhumika, who made the poster. So thank you all to everyone. And thank you for this award. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Absolutely a pleasure, Sanjeet. And you are going to reach out to me through Abhiraj and through Youth Maharashtra Foundation, and we are going to do some work together.
Okay, sure, sir, sure.
Yeah. Till the time Fayad joins in, Sanjeet, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, just for your information. Where are you, Sanjeet? Which part of the country are you in?
Sir, right now I'm in Uttarakhand, Roorkee, Uttarakhand.
क्या बात है, मैं देहरादून का हूँ यार, मेरे गांव के आसपास। तो हमने एक फिल्म बनाई, if I'm not taking too much of a time, हमने एक फिल्म बनाई during the lockdown, which is called Work From Home, which is available on YouTube. Have a look. That film is also shot on mobiles, different mobiles.
Oh. Okay.
So quality can be achieved because all your mobiles now are 4K. You can achieve the quality. It is just that whatever you do, this is to each one. Why we are talking to you about this is because we are very passionate people. And श्याम जी, आप इसमें आगे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, फिर मैं एंड करूंगा उस बात को।
हाँ, मैं ये बोलूंगा कि जो अच्छा काम करने के लिए एक ही चीज सोचो, मोबाइल है या फिल्म कैमरा है, इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, कहना क्या चाहते हो वो ध्यान रखो। मोबाइल से भी आप बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी कह सकते हो। सो व्हाट इज देयर इन योर माइंड, दैट इज द की थिंग। इट हैज टू कम फ्रॉम योर माइंड, इट शुड नॉट कम आउट फ्रॉम मोबाइल और फिल्म कैमरा और व्हाटएवर कैमरा, इट शुड कम आउट फ्रॉम माइंड। द मोर यू थिंक, द मोर you are passionate about it, you will be in a position to tell the good story. हमेशा ये याद रखो कि एक अच्छी स्टोरी कनेक्ट करती है ऑडियंस से, नथिंग एल्स। वर्क ऑन इट, जितना काम कर सको उस पे काम करो।
That is so good to hear. And Fayaz, Sanjit, your films were so good. Sanjit's film got us on the edge of our seats. It was so thrilling. And Fayaz helped us to learn so much more and explore culture from different parts of India. So that's amazing. So I congratulate you. And all the best for the future. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.